Did you know employees lose about $3 billion a year in FSA contributions, and that money goes back to your employer? Hi, my name is Mark. I'm a retired financial advisor with over a decade of experience working at some of the largest financial firms in the world, including the Vanguard Group. Here's how you can use your FSA to pay for medicine, feminine products, or even DNA tests before the end of the year, before that money goes back to your employer. An FSA or flexible spending account is a tax advantage account offered through your employer and is used to pay healthcare expenses like prescriptions, co-pays, and even over-the-counter medicines. Close to 86% of employers actually offer an FSA, so if you're listening, you probably have one. With an FSA, it's use it or lose it, meaning that if you don't use that money before the end of the year, you're going to lose that money. And guess where that money goes? Right back to your employer. So as we approach the final months of the year, I want you to see how much money you have left in your FSA and figure out how you're going to spend that remaining balance before the end of the year. You can use approved sites like FSA.com, Amazon's FSA store, or healthproductsforyou.com. And I want you to go on a shopping spree. Make sure you send this to a coworker so they know.